In this video, we'll show you how to change the front bumper cover brackets on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. In order to change the front bumper cover brackets on your vehicle, you will need to remove the radiator support cover to have full access. Using a fork, remove the 4 holding rivets. Then remove the cover. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the 2 upper retaining bolts on the front bumper cover. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the bumper cover to the fender. Do the same on the other side. Using a fork, remove the 6 retaining rivets on the lower part of the bumper cover by prying their central parts. Disengage the bumper cover from the fender by pulling it out and then down. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Pull the bumper cover out of its slot. The front bumper cover is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. Use a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket to unscrew the 2 bumper cover bracket retaining bolts. Using the same tools, unscrew the bolt holding the headlight to the bracket. Then remove the bracket. You can order the front bumper cover brackets used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the front bumper cover bracket. Then install it. Screw the retaining bolts back in. Now you need to reinstall the front bumper cover. Screw the 2 upper bumper cover retaining bolts back on. Under the vehicle, put the rivets back in place. Take the new radiator support cover, then position it correctly. Remember to pass the cover under the fender mountings and the grille assembly. Then put the rivets back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, price right, CarParts.com.